Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you a simple finger trick that can everyone do. A beginner speed cuba, or a beginner speed cuba, or an intermediate speed cuba, or uh, uh, an advanced speed cuba. Everyone can do, and it is one of my favorite finger trick. I can do many finger tricks, but it is my favorite. So let's get started. For this finger trick, you need a salt cube, and you need to put an algorithm name and R, no, sorry, U R prime U prime R, 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 U R prime U prime R. You need to do this algorithm 6 times to give it. Now see how fast can I do. Let's it's the finger trick. So that was the finger trick. Hey guys, if you like the video, like it, hit the like button, and comment if you like it. So, and subscribe our channel if you want more finger tricks or many cube video like this and other videos. So bye.